yours? I hope that everything is good. Today I'm here with a neighbor and she has an experience I would like to share with you. And first, let's hear from her. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Karina, and I own a car, Kia Rio 2015.
Great. I heard your story a while ago and I'm surprised of it. Can you kindly let me know the problems that you are facing when you are dealing with mechanics?
Yeah, I get to know that I am overcharged approximately like more than 3 times, and that made me really upset.
Okay, so a while ago she was telling me a story, and that's why I decided to make a video right away with her. Um, Compressor, how much you paid for it?
2,600.
Kia Rio. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, 980. Okay. Wipers,
So 270, yeah.
270. 40 dirhams. Bush. Okay. German made. Okay. You?
Engine belt,
Engine belt,
760.
100 dirhams. Original. Okay, so in that case, I would like to tell everyone that we made a program here called Dr. Car. The Dr. Car, we are just making sure that everyone will get a very good service for a reasonable price. And the reason why I've done it for everyone is to avoid these problems. Mechanics usually, they like to put more margin for themselves, especially if they felt like the person in front of them, they don't really understand the market and they don't know how to deal with it. So from my side, I listed for you around 50 shops on drcar.me, and these shops will help you. Now, what is your recommendation for next visit for mechanics?
Recommendation is not to agree on a service before you check the options and the prices.
Yeah, so maybe Google is going to be a good idea to, when you get the estimation, you can just Google and search this part number and how much it's sold and put a reasonable price for fixing the problem. So, meaning to say that there is a spare parts and there's a labor charge. So, make sure that the labor charge is not too high. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.
My pleasure.
Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Dr. Carr channel and mobile application are the best.